In the world of finance, you will often hear the term laggard. Let's break down what that means for your portfolio. A laggard is simply an asset, stock, or economic indicator that trails behind the performance of the broader market or its peers. Being a laggard does not necessarily mean an asset is bad. It just means it is moving slower than the rest of the pack. There are many reasons for this behavior, ranging from temporary industry slumps to internal company challenges or different business cycles. Investors often compare laggards to market leaders to see if the price difference is justified by the company's underlying health. This chart shows how a laggard might trail the average return of the market index over a typical year. Remember that markets are cyclical. Sometimes, what was lagging yesterday finds new momentum as investor interest shifts. Understanding laggards helps you look past short-term price moves. Thanks for watching, and keep learning about how markets move.